Day the Triffids.
That's mad, mate. Whoa.
Wow. We're all sitting here looking at it going, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Who's the tallest? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Whoa. That is mad, mate.
Never seen not like it.
No, Cumbra's over there.
Comes over there, yeah.
That's between Tolada and Benita Chill.
Yeah.
That's where it was coming from last night.
Wow.
That is proper mad.
Thing is, there's no sound.
Are you videoing?
It's light.
Probably because it's a bit further away.
Well, no, it's electric. You don't get any sound.
Faults
You
going
electric.
down there.
Some serious static.
That is impressive, mate.
Wow.
Ooh.
Whoa, yeah. Wicked.
That's
It's going that way, though, isn't it? It's totally going that way.
Hey, get some chairs out if you want. Oh. Come on. Look at the shape of the cloud over there on the left. You see it on the left there? It's like it's going up in it.
Looks like a screen.
Just up there on the left.
Oh, yeah.
See that?
Always reminds me of Day the Triffids, though, you know?
Wow.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I'm going to wake up blind in the morning and
Yeah.
see all these plants sticking over.
What noise did they make?
That is crazy.
Sounds like going to the music.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, there's another one.
I haven't seen that so concentrated in
No.
one area ever. Just there, isn't it?
This is here, mate. Move around a
Where
little
it faults, right? Where it faults down.
Wait, no. I'm recording here. No explicit language.
I've seen it once like that before in Seville.
I just went up when I was on the bus back to Belgium to do my military service, driving through the south of France, almost like not being able to go anywhere on the motorway with the coach. And anywhere you looked around, your left, right, in front, behind, it was like an electric storm like that. It was
right in the middle.
It was like you thought the world was going to end. Whoa!
It's just unbelievable.
Isn't it?